The enter and exit rules are used to detect objects entering or exiting a camera view through a region of interest, for example, a doorway or a threshold. To configure these, log into the Illustra Web Gui using the default username and password admin. Select Setup on the web user interface and navigate to Event and Actions. Select Analytics and then select the AI Object Classification tab. Select the Enable AI Object Classification checkbox to enable AI Object Classification on the camera. You do have the option to select the Highlight Detections checkbox to enable highlight detections and create a visual representation on the camera. Next, select New Rule and type a rule name for your rule definition in the field provided. Select a fault action from the Action drop-down menu. This fault action is activated when the parameters for the analytic rule are met. Select the rule type from the Rule Type drop-down menu and select the object type from the Object Class drop-down menu. Using the drawing tools on the right-hand side, select the region of interest from the camera view. It is best to draw a region of interest around the doorway or threshold to include areas in which the door can move or objects can be seen, for example glass. This will exclude objects that can be seen in the region of interest but does not pass through it. This will also ensure that an opening door, for example, will not obscure an object from the camera view. Next, use the overlap slider to increase or decrease the amount of detected object that must be in the region of interest when it first appears in the camera view. The object must leave the region of interest by the same amount before an alarm is triggered. Best results select a higher overlap setting. The minimum confidence slider is used to increase or decrease the percentage of confidence at which the rule will be triggered. Once the rule definitions have been configured, select Save to save your changes. Navigate to event logs to see the event triggers. Here you can see that our enter rule has been triggered.